Hello everyone, welcome to the video. We are today going to trace our hand so that we will be able to make some of the chilies that are hanging from its plant. This one is very easy, you just need to do the detailing in the steps as shown on your screens. Don't forget to draw the leaves as we are drawing and fill it with some of the colors. I am using the red one as we are drawing the red chilies. Next we are going to create 3 different creatures from the D shape as you can see, or the semicircles, whatever you would like to call it. First we are going to draw the turtle, next one is the mice, and the third one is the hedgehog or the porcupine. This one is so simple. Let's try to trace down a girl. This one is wrong. Let's try to draw it in the simpler ways and it will look more good than the first one. See how easy it is. Just give it a try. She looks so adorable. From the number 1 to 0, we are able to trace down a doctor, and this doctor is wearing a PPE kit so that it will save himself and the others from the COVID-19 infection. Just pause the video and follow these steps as shown here. It's having some prescription or any report of the patient in its hand. Just give it a try. This one is so easy. It's best suited for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Don't forget to trace down the plus shape that represents a doctor. Again, we are going to trace down a girl. For this we are making some L shapes that will actually denote the hair of the girl, and then the U shape actually the face, and see her eyes, lips and the dress. From these initials S and S, we are going to convert it into cute little 2 cats that are too affectionate and they are hugging each other. You can see we can make the body by drawing somewhat 3 shape as shown here. This is so cute, isn't it? Just fill it with some of the colors in this form of the spots as we are doing here. Give them a blush. It's time to draw this little boy. It's wearing a raincoat that's somewhat B-shaped. Difficulty level is very easy and it's moving somewhere in rain. Just try to draw this one. Isn't it so cool? I am using the yellow color as it's a brighter one. You can use any other color. Using the scale stencil, first you need to draw the circles. After that you can draw the H alphabet, then follow these steps to make this man, and he's wearing a PPE kit. As you can see, it's a necessity nowadays due to the rise in the COVID-19 cases. This one is very easy. First you need to draw some triangular shape, then some of the circles as you can see one above the other. This is a crab. Difficulty level for this type of drawing is somewhat medium and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 12 to 14. Actually, it's not the simple drawing, it's the drawing that is a combination of the pencil and the shading one. As you can see, just pause the video and try to follow these steps. You will be able to draw it perfectly. Thanks for watching. We will come up with more such interesting videos that will be helpful for your kids in the field of the art and craft.